The sunshine glows and makes the world so bright and warm. Golden rays dance gently across the fields and farms. Flowers bloom and stretch so high toward the shining sun. Birds sing sweet songs as the day has just begun. The bright blue sky is painted with a golden light. Children laugh and play in the sunshine, feeling light. Butterflies flutter with wings that shimmer in the air. Bees buzz around, spreading pollen with love and care. The sun waves goodbye as it slowly starts to set. Tomorrow it returns, bringing light we won't forget.